तुझे क्या लगता है कि तूने फिल्म माफिया के साथ मिलके मेरा घर तोड़ के मुझसे बहुत बड़ा बदला लिया है?
Viewers, my name is Samrat from KK Shruti. After a long time, I have seen about you in exploring in your channel. Further that one, today I would like to, if you observe in social media, if aspect in whole Indians viral news around the Kangana Rawat. If you look at that news, if you 2 days back in social medias also very trended as soon as the tremendous video what which was. And today I would like to why this Kangana's office was exposure news as that her office was demolished by the Maharashtra government, Mumbai government, which is the ruling party, that is Shiv Sena government. And today I would like to what are the criteria behind that issues, and if you're looking into whole social media, just peripheral detail what I have would like to give you as per the this video. And if you look at the Kangana Ranaut's before history also in Bollywood, she has indicated the one particular region regarding the supporting purpose as the category of this matter. I would like to talking about the Kangana Ranaut's one of the what are the cases involved in this matter. If you're looking at the Sushant's Sushant Singh's that is one of the suicide case attempt, which was the news. It is accumulating whole world, which is discussed about how the suicide was attempted. What are the cases behind this one? What are the criteria behind this murder, or as of now assuming that murder these cases, and peripheral detail about these cases. I am assuming to you further the detail about Sushant Singh's how the suicide was happened. After the further things, Kangana Ranaut was exposed those days justice for the Sushant Singh's death. Her within her as well as her team also exposed in social media on everything in public openly. Further, the second things I would like to the reason criteria behind it is the politic in the sense. If you're looking at the Maharashtra's Shiv Sena, which is a ruling party, I guess if you're looking at the what are the tact between two things that one uh, Sushant Singh's mama, that is suicide case, plus this one ruling party Kangana Ranaut has. Second thing, she has exposed by the ruling party's opposition. In the sense, one of the ruling party it is there. In the sense, there is opposite party also. It will be obviously it will be available on that one. And if you ruling, she was given the statement against the Shiv Sena, which is the ruling party against the Maharashtra. The case in the sense which is ruling party as of now in Maharashtra, they against the the document they have given. Second reason, and further the third reason in the sense, if you have looking into Sushant Singh's a link between the Riya Chakravarti as well as the Sushant Singh's between gaps, she has given the lot of evidence against the Riya Chakravarti, because this case has a lot of huge given the incidents has given against these cases. She has given the statement supporting to Sushant, justice for the Sushant, like that only she has focused further the things in this against the Riya Chakravarti's evidence. A lot of evidence she has given, the which is the evidence all and all given all black criteria, so that and all show conclusion that are affected to if you're looking at the when the demolition time of the that go by the action which was taken by the government, Uddhav Thacker's government in Maharashtra, that time Kangana's within they have given almost 24 hours to they have given the one of the notice regarding that office, which is the office was demolished. As of now, it was more than years it was there. That time particularly that demolishing team was it is there. That time they have given the statement that it is this office against the some basic construction materials, all those things, which is the office was there, which is the instrument. They have given the huge rooms, everything. They have given 14, almost around the 14 reasons behind the demolishing purpose. It is against the our legal rule, like that only they are assuming against the this demolition purpose. They have given illegally this building was assumed matter, like that only they are premising. And further things and all, they have given the 14 reason for the demolition purpose against the law. It is building under the against law. If you looking at the Kangan was there, if you corona time also she was there in Himachal Pradesh. She's basically from Himachal Pradesh. As only she was in Himachal Pradesh only. If you're looking at that one, the political leader against the Mumbai, one of the region regarding about the two, they have given open statement about that minister. If you go come back to the Mumbai, if you have against the Mumbai, like that only statement he has given by the particular the ruling party. And if you need to, if you come to Mumbai, if you having goods to Mumbai, please comment here, like the only statement they given, open statement given by the Shiv Sena, the Thackeray's ruling party, and it is noticeable here. And further, the demolishing purpose of her office, what she has done as of now, the thing is, it is basically it will be assuming that she has make an against the ruling party, which is Shiv Sena. Absolutely, will be showing. And please further than saying things, if you demolishing purpose, that time court has interrupted on that matter. They have cleared the as a situation, and it is still stuck with the court's order. Courts, what are the formality it will be, that is still going on. And further things, they have demolishing that the building purpose only. Court has given the order to stop it that one. And I would like to asking about the my views and what are the opinions regarding this one. Please share your comments on that. Thank you. Until bye from Samrat from KK Study.